Hello, I wanted to demonstrate a problem we have with this laptop. Every time you start it, it goes directly into the BIOS. So we're going to open the laptop because this is a hardware issue. It registers me clicking escape or F or delete when the laptop is starting, indicating that there is a problem and the keyboard isn't lighting up. So we are going to open the laptop and fix. Okay, so we're going to open up the laptop and unscrew all of these screws over here. Very simple. Depending on your laptop, there will be a difference. This is a hardware issue, so it's most likely the ribbon cable to the motherboard isn't connecting well, so we're going to have to reseat it. Simple fix, hopefully. Wear a wrist strap when doing this so you don't burn the electronics or touch ground. Open the latch like this and pull the cable out. Reseat it again. Push it all the way in. And then close the latch. Make sure it's tight. And that should be it. So we're going to test it out and open the laptop and see. Okay, so now we're going to test it while it's still open. And see if it brings up the BIOS right away or not. And there you go, now it's loading and no more BIOS and the keyboard works. And I just wanted to show you guys that the keyboard now lights up because it wasn't lighting up. I had it not working because the power plug wasn't plugged in, so I put in power and it worked. So the fix was basically you just needed to reseat the ribbon cable to the motherboard and wasn't seated well, and that fixed the keyboard issue. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll close up the laptop now and make sure it's all good.